Oh, it's here. So let's see what we have got here. The Vivo Z1 Pro. 32 megapixel in display front camera. Sounds good. 5000 mAh battery, 18 watt fast charging. AI triple rear camera. And also Snapdragon 712 AIE processor. For the first time in India. You know what? Take my money. So let's open this thing. Let's see what we have. This is the cover. It's nice. And we'll come back. We've got charger. And of course the cable. And earphones. So let's switch it on. So the color is sonic blue, looks really cool, and I like the gradient. When I want to switch between games, social media, messaging or other apps, I need a fully loaded processor, and this is the one. Let's try the rear camera. Looks fantastic. So let's look at the 32 megapixel in-display camera. It smartly placed inside and gives you more screen space. Let me take a selfie now. Great clarity and beautiful colors. I'm gonna take more later. So it's going to be a busy day and this battery will last really long. The Vivo Z1 Pro is a fully loaded phone. So this was my unboxing. Unbox your Z1 Pro and win exciting prizes.